Hi everyone, this is Cyrus for iPhoneS.com and iPhoneAppsFinder.com. Today I'm showing you a few applications for checking the weather. Now, we've covered a lot of awesome weather applications on iPhoneS.com and also on our channel here. Now, these are different because these these 5 applications here are actually for folks who want to go and watch the stars and they want to go when the time is right. So we're talking about astronomy weather and not just whether the temperature is going to be 20 degrees or 30 degrees. And these applications help you. Scope Nights is one of the applications we first tested, I think, a few weeks ago, and pretty cool application because it gives you conditions and it's very visual. It lets you choose your current location easily. It shows you whether the time is right to see the stars, the planets. You can also change settings easily, what you want to show. You can location, you can add it there. You can select each day. Very simple. Use it to get more information on the weather when you're ready to go out. And we've covered this in detail, so I do encourage you to go and check out that specific video because it has more details on how the app works. NIDA Sky 2, one of my favorite applications. It just got an update, I believe. They did the iOS 7 review just a few days ago. Beautiful application to explore the skies. They had the augmented reality feature. But here's the nice part, you can actually get weather information. So if you go to the right side of your screen here, you have 2 options. You have your phases, moon phases, which becomes very important for amateur astronomy. You also have your weather information. So you get a better idea of how to prepare and when to go for your astronomy trips or stargazing trips. You have SkyLife, very simple application again by the guys behind Solar Walk or Star Walk. The only issue that I have with this is it's not as stable on older iPads. It works fine on iPad 4 and iPad 3. Doesn't work for very well on iPad 2. But very simple. You get all kinds of useful information, whether it's the weather, whether it's moon phases, whether information on Venus, Saturn, and you can choose which objects you want to show and gather information about. Now, the other 2 applications I didn't want to cover, but because they're not exactly weather applications, but I think they're important for amateur astronomers because they provide some guidance, some information on when to go and watch, let's say, a meteor shower event or find an area that doesn't have light pollution. So the Arctic Sky Finder, very cool application we tested a while ago. It's not perfect, but it provides you with information on how you can avoid areas that are not dark enough for you to actually get a full experience with your telescope. So you can see the light pollution. You can hide it actually if you like. You can see the dark side, and you have also information on each side details. You can change map type, and you can also add your own sites so you can suggest it and help the community. It's very important. It's not perfect again, but very interesting concept as far as avoiding light pollution and actually finding a great spot to take your telescope to whether you want to capture photos or watch the planets, whatever you want to do. That's pretty awesome right there. Meteor Shower Guide, one of my favorite applications for catching up with the meteor shower events, provides you with all kinds of useful information, conditions, details that you need. See what's happening here today. and you can change settings. You have your years. You can adjust your location. So you can set up alerts also. Add it to your calendar, and you're set. So 5 awesome applications. I personally like Scope Nights. Also, SkyLife is very interesting. I do trust the developers behind it, even though the app did crash on us a few times. The guys behind SolarWalk and StarWalk done a magnificent job in the past with their applications. So I'm sure they're going to fix some of the issues that are available right that people are experiencing right now. The NIDA Sky 2 is a brilliant application. I do encourage you to check it out if you haven't already. It was just updated for iOS 7. It has a ton going for it, and it also provides you with better information for astronomy. The other two are optional if you like, if you want to catch up with meteor shower events or find dark skies around you and avoid light pollution. You want to check those two applications out. I hope you enjoyed this short video. For more information and more tips, please go to iPhones.com and iPhoneAppsFinder.com. And don't forget to support us if you like this video.